What is going on, YouTube? Back at it again in the garage with my beloved Super Tenere. Today we're going to install the new shoes that just came in today. Those are the, what are those? Mefo Super Explorer 2.0. They're 60/40 tires, 60 street, 60 dirt, 40 street. So we're gonna put those bad boys on. Currently I'm running the Shinko 705. Front is still okay, a little bit cupped, but rear it just, yeah, not that great. So, we're gonna put the new tires on. We're gonna start with the back and then we're gonna move to the front. And first of all, we gotta wash the bike because it's really caked in dirt from last ride. So let's get at it. All right, after a little bit of splashing, we got it all cleaned up. Also, we put the tires top of my car so I can heat it up a little bit with the sun. It's real cold today. It's about 36 degrees outside right now, but the sun is beaming, so they're getting pretty warm. No wind, so it's perfect. So I'm gonna dry the bike and start on the tire. All right, to take the rear wheel off, you won't need much. You will need a 12 millimeter for the caliper. You will need a 8 millimeter for the swing arm bolt that holds the axle. You will need a, 4 millimeter for this sensor right here. And you'll need a, I think, 6 millimeter for this bolt right here, and loosen it up so you can take this off. And for the actual axle, you will need one of those babies. I think it's an 18 or 19. Yep, 19. For this, to hold it in place or to unscrew it while you're taking this nut off on this side. And I believe this one is a 25 millimeter or something like that. I don't have the socket for that. I don't know where it is. And I'm just gonna use my trusty tool right here. But yeah, let's do that. You'll need a 12 for this nut that is behind this bolt. You get a 12 that from the back. You can take this, loosen this bolt, and the one in the back. There you go. Just loosen up so you can just swing this up after you take out the axle. All right, guys, this is my method of doing things. You got a tire right here, a jack, car jack, and something to jack into that is solid. You might want to put this about ½ inch away from the rim. Let me just pull a little bit out. Right about halfway, because it's gonna slide in a little bit. Halfway out, and it's good to have a piece of plastic, like a solid plastic, to put over here. So this is gonna come pretty close to the rim. And I got this piece of plastic right here. I'm gonna put it over here in case it comes too close. And now, this is how I break the bead. With a jack it in there. Make sure this is about 90 degrees, perpendicular to the ground. When this comes pretty close, you want to put this in case this one touches the rim. In this case, it passed the rim, so now I'm just waiting for this thing to break, the bit to break. I think, there you go, it just did. I'll just take the pressure off this. Guys, this is how I braid the bit. It works every time if you don't have a tire changing machine, or if you're a DIY dude like me. Alright? This works every time. So we got one bit broken on one side. Just go around. Break it all the way. Alright. It's all loose on this side. Same thing with the other side. Now, it's gonna be tricky. You might want to put one of those 2x4 pieces so this won't touch the ground. I'm gonna get my 2x4. I'll be back. Now my 2x4 pieces now. I gotta center this out again. My rim is resting on a 2x4 underneath. Two 2x4s. There we go. Right there. Same thing. Okay. I need to back it out a little bit. There you go. Just look a little bit sketchy, but a good job. I don't got time to go places. This side should be easier to break. Anyway. Come on, bud. Go. You broke. Broke loose. Pull this back. Now we got to struggle by ourselves to take this tire off. Last time I did it, it was summertime. And tire was warm. It wasn't as stiff as this. But yeah, bead is broken now on all the sides. There you go. All right. I have to take a break because my knee and my ankle, pretty tired. I had a surgery on my knee and I had surgery on my ankle all the same day from a car accident. Maybe I'll tell you about it in a little bit. But yeah, it's pretty bad. That's my knee, it's my scar. This was open fracture and I have all the hardware on the side. So sitting in those positions cramped up and pushing on them, it's not good for me. So take a little breather, have a little bit of beer and get back at it. All right, we put a new valve stem in and the old valve stem. Now we gotta seat it a little bit. Tire is really cold now because the garage is open and it's getting dark, so it's cold. Nope. Not yet. We can sit on it to see if that works. It'll be funny. Think it works. I was gonna pop right out of my bolt. There you go. 2 pops. Oh man, right here where this crap was, it's bubbling a little bit. No bueno. All right, smacked it a couple more times and everything is good to go. No more bubbling anywhere. I checked the other side as well. I think we're golden. Right, before we put the tire back on the bike, we got to do a balance. So my setup is as follows: 2 jack stands, the bike axle, and you guys can see already the tire is rotating to the heaviest point. See that? Now it's a waiting game. It's gonna go like that and then it's gonna go back, and that's the heaviest point on the bike. When it stops, you just put a weight on the other side and do the test. All you want to do, rotate it slowly and make sure it doesn't go that back and forth stuff. So I'm gonna do that, and that's my tire balancer. See, I'm cheap. All right, balance the tire. I think it's okay now. Let's see. Yeah, pretty much stay straight. So yeah, I'm good to go now. I'm gonna put it back on and I think I'm done for the day. Tire, front tire tomorrow, but basically it's gonna be the same thing. I'll walk you through a couple of things over there, what to do, and yeah, we'll wrap up this video.